Alright guys, first up, break 106, 16-17 limited BK. You can check your names on the right if you're on YouTube. Then we'll go into our baseball, football mini helmet, and then our football mixer. Alright. We got Dwight Howard for the Hawks. Got a Dirk for Dallas. Derek Favors to 99. No Limit, Ant Davis. We got Paul George. 1/1. Nice. 3-color patch auto, 1/1 for the Pacers. And that's going to Jonathan. Nice pull. Nice. 1/1. Then for the Sixers, Cabret. 2-color patch. Number 239. Going to the Sixers. It's going to Deanne. And we got Paul Pierce and Tyson Chandler. Alright.